This is Mama Miche, and today in the Magic Kitchen, Kebabs Part 3. Chicken thighs, my oh my. These are some juicy and tasty thighs, using the same base of compound butter oil for marinating that we used on the lamb and the vegetables. I'm not gonna lie, this was an experiment gone terribly right. I made a large enough batch of the marinade base and kept it refrigerated. I wanted to try it for a bunch of different recipes to see how versatile it is, and I'm impressed. The ingredients of the marinade tenderizes meats, and they melt in your mouth. It works on vegetables, fish, and I'm sure it would flavor plant-based meat substitutes too. I think it takes all kinds to make the world go round. I've never been one to base my opinions off others' opinions or hearsay. I like to see for myself, learn for myself. I taught myself how to do a cartwheel, French braid. I even taught myself how to roll great joints. And yes, I'm very proud of that. An inquisitive mind is a terrible thing to waste, though I'll admit it's gotten me in trouble a couple times. I think it's better to learn the hard way than not at all. Most of Gen X is all out of fucks to give because of our upbringing. How quickly a lot of us had to grow up and parent ourselves, and sometimes parent our parents might have had something to do with it. But here in the year of the woke 2023, where the internet misinforms as much as it informs, it's a good thing. Too many fucks flying around already, messing the world up. I abide by the live and let live credo. I'm not easily offended. I love and accept all unless given a reason not to. And I love to entertain and feed people, in case you hadn't noticed. I'm Mama Miche, and I'm here to make your kitchen magic. Like, follow, subscribe. It is so tender, so tasty. Let's eat.